Service in Minneapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
It went off on my 12262.
Delaware County until 8:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located.
Rare January's We Are Water event.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts
That was
and
sudden.
any size hail. This is indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Winchester, Union City, Nighttown, Parker City, Farmland, Lynn, Spice Land,
I was not
Selma,
expecting
Chile,
to catch
Bridgettville,
this type of
Kennard,
warning until
Wilkinson,
February.
Sulphur Springs, Louisville, Mount
Especially
Summit,
this early in
Saratoga,
January.
Lafayette,
January
and
10th, it's
Strawn.
unusual to have severe thunderstorm warnings.
Interstate 70 between
Hearing
mile
it.
markers 111 and 133.
See why it's unusual now?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware.